tell people. That's all. Hello. Hi. Welcome to the White Heron Tea and Gifts. I'm drinking a black tea. It's vanilla flavor with just a little bit of sugar. Vanilla is my absolute favorite. I can volunteer for whatever you need to do. Today we have a couple of different teas. There's a list here for you.
Fantastic.
So take a minute to look and.
Thank you.
Hello. Hello. Welcome to the White Heron.
Thank you.
Thank you for coming for tea today. I'll show you to your seat.
I need
That might go.
She has it up.
We have over 35 different teas. So you just let us know, and I'll be back in a minute just to get your tea order, and then we have lunch ready for you too.
And now I'm
This
talking.
is John.
We currently have over 25, 30 on hand. We have more on the way. We order from the world's largest tea distributor, so we technically have the ability to order over 200 different types of tea.